Welcome to OFR. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to disassemble this VIHALS sideboard from IKEA. I also have a tutorial on how to assemble this bed frame, which I'll leave a link in the description below, so after you move, you can easily put it back together. All you need for this disassembly is a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, some pliers, a 5/16 inch Allen key, and if you want to speed up the process, you can also use a drill with a Phillips bit. So the first step is to take out the drawers. I would not recommend disassembling the drawers, but if you have limited space, these next steps will show you how. You'll start by unscrewing the handle like this and putting all the bits and pieces in a plastic bag so you don't lose them in the move. Now flip the drawer onto its sides and unscrew each drawer slide like this. Next, unscrew these 4 camlock nuts, separate these ends, and take out the plastic pins as shown. Then you can disconnect the back drawer piece. I recommend putting some tape over each camlock nut so you don't lose them in the move. Also, this metal piece, I recommend keeping it in as you can cause damage by pulling it out with pliers, if you're not careful. Now simply, take out the bottom drawer piece like this. Then unscrew all 4 camlock nuts and take out both side drawer pieces as shown. And finally, unscrew these 4 screws. Repeat the same steps for the other drawer as well. Now you can take off the hinges. First, unscrew the 4 screws that are secured to the sideboard frame. Next, if you want, you can unscrew the handle and both hinges for each cabinet door. I'd recommend keeping the screws secured tightly in each hinge piece, as that's how they came originally. Then repeat the same steps for the other cabinet doors. Now you can take both shelves off like this. Next, take out 8 shelf pins as shown. Now you can unscrew both screws for each brace like this. If you secured your sideboard to the wall, you can now unscrew each bracket. Next, flip the sideboard over like this. Then grab the 5/16 inch Allen key and unscrew these 4 screws. Now lift the sideboard frame back onto its feet. Next, you'll need to use some force for this step. With your left hand, you'll be pulling the top panel towards you, and with your right hand, you'll be pushing on the edge of the side panel. If done right, you should disconnect both panels. Then repeat the same step with the middle panel and the other side panel. Now you can take the top panel off like this. Then flip the sideboard back into this position. Next, grab your flathead screwdriver and take out the plastic pins and caps. Try to do this carefully to minimize damage. Now you can pull out the back panel like this. Then with some pliers, take out any exposed dowels. Next, you can disconnect the other back panel, and again, take out any exposed dowels. Now you need to pull up from the bottom of the side panel and hold the edge of the bottom panel in place to disconnect both panels from each other. Next, if you want, you can unscrew all 3 screws to take off the drawer slide, but it's not necessary. Then go to the other side panel and repeat the same step that you did before. Again, if you want, you can unscrew the drawer slide. And finally, repeat the same steps with the middle panel. The whole process will look like this. So now you're done with disassembling the VIHALS sideboard from IKEA. Again, if you want to reassemble the sideboard, I'll leave a link in the description below. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out.